Hi, my name's Ria Novak, and I teach art in the art department at SUNY Oneonta. This is the Thousand Cranes project. It was something that students and faculty and staff and some community members who helped fold and string 1,000 cranes, a few fish and a few dragons. You guys have to find them yourself. 1,000 cranes is, when done with a group, a prayer for world peace. One of the nice things is that it's really nice sometimes to fold paper. Particularly if you know what you're doing, it's calming, it's something nice to do in a group. It does become meditative or prayer-like or simply just community. The world's in a precarious place at the moment, and art does amazing things for us in the doing and in the participating and making something beautiful together. Like, come on. Yeah. Colorful cranes? How could you go wrong?